Good morning everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going on in the market about the Nifty 50 and also the pre-analysis that what I have discussed yesterday. I have discussed that if market gives a breakout of this 24,400 range, I can expect towards upside towards the target of 25,200. If market gives a breakdown of this 23,850 or 800 range means I see the selling opportunity in the market. What happened in the opening itself? Market gives a big red candle. That means in 1 minute, if you have seen this in 5 minutes means it's a big candle. What is the big candle theory is, when the big candle appears in the market means firstly we can see the volatile momentum in the market. So based on that, again after reaching this high, I have entered for selling towards downside and I have started for 24,400 CE. I have went for selling of 24,400 CE. Firstly I have taken the entry at somewhere around at this point and I hit the stop loss. I have entered at 123. I hit the stop loss nearly 136 or 135. Again I have entered at 129. That means within this candle. Why? Because this is the breakout failure. You can see this as a breakout failure. Within this candle I have entered and I have kept the stop loss of 140. I have entered at 129 and I have kept the stop loss at 140, 142. At this range I have kept the stop loss. Slow and steadily market came downside. Within the 50% of this level I have hit the stop loss. Within the 50% of this level I hit the target. And again market reversed. Why? Because let me show. In 5 minutes I have seen the hammer candle. In 5 minutes this is the hammer candle appear. So based on this candle I can have predicted that the market is going to be bullish, and after the pause candle market gives the continuous move. Again the pause candle continuous move. Slow and steadily it is consolidating at the top. That means it gives the breakout and it's retest. That means it's testing. That means it retests that level. Now let me show you the orders. First of all I have entered at 123 at the top, 923, and after that I hit the stop loss of 135, and again I entered at 126. That means breakout failure. I have shown you that the candles, this candle in 1 minute, this candle, this is the breakout failure candle. Within this red candle I have entered, and 29 I have entered and I booked the profit at 86. Almost it went to 77 I think. But don't too much greedy will makes us profit drain. That means if I am greedy about booking at 177 or 72 or 70 or even more means it's not a good sign for the booking profits consistently. If you want to go for consistently, after 129 market started to come downside. Slow and steadily it again retraced, again started to coming downside, and after the market started to came downside, started to move towards downside, I have changed my stop loss to 130. Again after some retracement I have changed the stop loss to 122. After some retracement after some fall I have changed this 110, and after that I changes it to 92, and after that I changes it to 86. Somewhere around this 86 I have hit the target. Why? Because market will come downside and again it will reverse, or otherwise again it some slow and steadily again it will come again it will that means again it will start falling towards downside. But what is the main thing to do as a trader is we have to book the profit which market is giving. Whatever the market is giving we have to book the profit, and based on that we have to plan for tomorrow. And also you don't need to take any other entries. And let me show you this. See here also I can go for the next entry. Here also I can go for the next entry. As today, based on my mindset, today I don't want to take any of the entries towards upside. Sorry, not towards upside. I don't want to take any further entries. Why? Because I have to keep quiet for tomorrow's expiry. So keeping the mind calm is the most important thing in the market to do. Whether you suppose if I have hit the stop loss also, my maximum to maximum I hit the stop loss today is 15 to 20,000 is my stop loss. So I have prepared for that. After hitting the stop loss I have to keep. If you have do over trading of taking of multiple entries in the market means it will drain your capital. That means you have to pay more brokerage. So paying the brokerage itself, suppose if you have lose at the end of the day, if you lose some 3,000 also, you have to pay some 20, 10, 15, or based on the wow trading, sometimes people have paid 30,000 brokerage also. Even myself also have paid the brokerage of some 20,000, 15,000 towards the market. Why? Because of the wow trading. Again I have entered again I can enter here. Again I can enter here. But why I have not entered means, if I have entered here means I have to keep the stop loss of some 12 to some 15 points, at least some 15 points. Again, whatever the capital, that whatever the profit that I have got, again I have to risk some 15,000 in that. If I lose that trade means, again I will get some greedy to recover that amount. So whatever the amount that we have got in the market, if you have kept it quietly, it's the most important thing to do in the market. And otherwise the over trading will drain the emotions and also the capital too. That's why I have not taken an entry. Based on this, today this will be the volatile momentum. I don't expect this market will move upside. If it moves also, okay, that's okay, I have to take it. As a trader, we have to take everything that what market is saying. Until and unless not accept, that means until and unless we have to habituate the acceptance of the market's momentum or the structure, we don't have the consistent profits. We have to understand we have to understand the structure of the market, and we have to move on. So thank you. This is my experience, that what I have previously, that what I have experienced previously, that I am telling you. Don't take it as a classes. This is my experience. And also thank you. This is my, let me show you the positions. This is the positions. Refresh. And thank you. This is my view.